Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video we are going to take a look on how to install Mozilla Firefox and how to make it default browser for Windows 10. Also this video is sponsored by CloudSwap, cloud-to-cloud migration service. So if you want to see or learn how to migrate your cloud files from one service provider to another, check out the sponsorship section later on in this video. Perfect. Let's start on downloading Mozilla Firefox. So by default, Windows comes with Microsoft Edge browser. This is the tool that we are going to use to go to, in our case, let's go to google.com and search for Mozilla Firefox. There. So what you want to do is just open mozilla.org, right? And you have to click on Firefox browser, Firefox for desktop. This is the one that we're looking for. Of course, you have other flavors of it, like for Android or iOS devices, but we want the desktop one. Cool. Just go ahead and click download Firefox, and then downloader will just appear on the top right hand side. Now what you want to do is just click on open file. Yes, run this. You'll be prompted again to click yes on the installer, and you will get this pop-up where Firefox will start installing. While this installs, a quick word from our sponsor today. And today's video is sponsored by CloudSwap. CloudSwap is an online service tool that can help you transfer files from one cloud provider to another. For example, if you have your files hosted on OneDrive and you wish to switch to Google Drive, that's no problem. It's all done in 3 easy steps. You need to select the folders and files that you wish to transfer, and then choose the destination where you want them to be copied. And that's it. You simply click start, and then your files will be copied to the new cloud provider. For more information, please check the link in the description below and register for free and start migrating or transferring your files. Welcome back. So after the installer finishes, you will be prompted with the Firefox browser, and this is the first page. And also you will have on your desktop, let me close Microsoft Edge here, you will also have a Firefox icon. Good. Now let's see how we can switch from the default browser, which is Microsoft Edge, to the Firefox one. What you want to do is go to Start and click on Settings, this little gear icon on the bottom part of the Start menu, and you want to look for Apps section, because this is the part where we're gonna have the defaults. This is the one that we're looking for. So click on Apps, and on the left hand side you will see Default Apps. Click on that, and these are the default apps for your Windows machine. And in our case we want to look for web browser. As you can see, Microsoft Edge is here by default. We want to click on this and click on Firefox. Just bear in mind, if you don't see Firefox or Google Chrome or the browser that you want to set as default, that means that it's not installed yet. So go ahead and install it first, and then it will show up here in this list. Perfect. For our example, let's click on Firefox, and there you go. Now your web browser is set to Firefox. By the way, if you get a notification when you click on Firefox from Windows saying that please check out Microsoft Edge first, just click on switch now anyway, switch anyway, and you're good to go. It will set it to Firefox. This is because Microsoft wants you to try the Edge browser before switching to another third-party browser. So hopefully this was useful. If you found it helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, and talk to you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.